Good morning, children. Namaste. Vanakkam. कैसे हैं आप लोग? How are you all? Good. So, knowing the language is very good. You should know how many language you can learn. It's good for you. Okay? It will come confident. You will be more confident when you are talking. So, how much you can learn the language? It's good. Try to learn many languages. Okay? How much you are getting chances? Try to learn the language. It's good. So, today we will go for animals name and vegetables name. Okay, animals name and vegetables name we will read. Some vegetables name and some animals name you know, and some I'll teach you, so it will be good for you. That also you should know. In Hindi, vegetable what is how to say and animals how to say. Okay, so shall we start the class? Good. First I'll teach you domestic animals name. Okay, domestic animals. So who is domestic animal? How you know? That type of animals which lives with human, means people are keeping for some benefit. Okay, maybe we are using their milk, we are using their egg, meat or woolen. That all are known as a domestic animals. पालतू एवं घरेलू जानवरों के नाम. ओके, cow. Cow you all know. In Hindi, cow we will say गाय. Okay, cow what we will say? गाय. गाय. You can see the picture. Okay. Second one, buffalo. Buffalo in Hindi what we will say? भैंस. What we will say? भैंस. भैंस means buffalo. Third one, cow and buffalo both we are keeping in house for the milk purpose. Both gives us milk. So people keep in house. Camel. CAMEL. All you know where camel found in India? Rajasthan and Gujarat. In Hindi, camel we will say ऊंट. बड़ा ऊ, चंद्रबिंदु ऊ and t. ऊंट. Camel means ऊंट. This also is a domestic animal. People use to carry their loads, luggages in Registan, and they use their milk also. People drink camel milk also. Okay, so both purpose, to picking up loads and using the milk they are keeping camel. So cow, गाय, buffalo, भैंस, camel, ऊंट. Goat, बकरी. Goat means बकरी. Ox, बैल. Ox means बैल. Sheep, भेड़. Sheep means भेड़. There was a in your story one shepherd has come na, Baju. Third standard, Baju एक गड़ेरिया था. He was a shepherd. So goat, बकरी. Ox, बैल. Sheep, भेड़. Sheep means भेड़. So goat what you will do? Goat milk also you can use. People are drinking goat milk and they are eating mutton. Their meat also people eat. Ox what you will do? Ox people keep for agriculture purpose. Sheep. Sheep gives us woolen to make the sweaters, blankets and other cloths. So sheep we keep for getting the woolen, and some people are drinking the milk also. Horse. Horse means in Hindi we will say ghoda. Ghoda means horse. We will keep horse for taking the loads. Okay, our loads he will pick up and carry, and some people will use for riding also, one place to another place. Bull. Bull is a sand. Ox and bull, different thing is there. Okay, ox people will keep in the house. Okay, ox people keeps in house for agriculture purpose. Bull you can't hold, that is very strong, he will be free. Okay, just he is roaming here there. So always you should know what is ox and what is bull. Okay, bull means sand, bull means sand. Donkey, donkey means gadha, donkey means gadha. Gadha also pick up the loads. Okay, lot of loads he will help to pick up. So people keep horse, ghoda, bull, sand, donkey, gadha. Next we will go for cat. Cat means billy, meow. Okay, cat, cat means billy. Elephant, hathi, elephant means hathi. Dog, kutta, dog, kutta. Okay, so billy, hathi, kutta. Cat means billy, elephant means hathi, dog means kutta. Okay, cow I taught you, goat, elephant, dog. Khargosh, khargosh means rabbit, khargosh means rabbit. Chuha, rat, chuha means rat. Sher, sher means lion, sher means lion. Cheetah, cheetah means tiger. Okay, cheetah means tiger. Sher, lion, cheetah, tiger. Next we will go for vegetables name. Okay, after animals name we will go for some vegetables name. Onion, onion in Hindi you know what we will say? Pyaj, pyaj means onion. Garlic, in Tamil what we will say? Pund. In Hindi we will say lahsun. Hindi what we will say? Lahsun. Lahsun means garlic. Lemon, lemon in Hindi what we will say? Nimbu. What we will say? Nimbu. Okay. Ginger, in Tamil ginger what we will say? Inji. Inji will say na? In Hindi what we will say? Adrak. Okay, ginger means adrak, adrak, adrak. Next, radish, mulangi. Mulangi is there na? Mulangi, Hindi and Tamil somehow it is same. In Hindi we will say mooli. What we will say? Mooli. And Tamil you will say mulangi. And English radish. Cucumber, cucumber means kheera, cucumber means kheera. Carrot, carrot in Hindi what we will say? Gajar, carrot means gajar. Bottle gourd, bottle gourd in Tamil what we will say? Sorka, sorka you will say na? In Hindi we will say lauki. What we will say? Lauki, bottle gourd. Okay. Capsicum, capsicum means Shimla mirch, capsicum means Shimla mirch. Arvi, arvi in Hindi also we will say arvi only. Okay. Pumpkin, pumpkin means kaddu, pumpkin means kaddu. Potato, aloo, potato means aloo. Mushroom, mushroom in Hindi also we will say mushroom only. Okay. Bitter gourd, karela, bitter gourd means karela. In Tamil what you will say? Pauka. Okay. So bitter gourd, karela. Tomato, in Tamil what you will say? Takali. In Hindi we will say tomato. Tomato, tomato. Bitter gourd, karela. Lettuce, lettuce, we will say lettuce only, okay, because this is not an Indian vegetable. So lettuce we will say lettuce only. Cauliflower. Cauliflower in Hindi what we will say? Phool gobi. Okay, what we will say? Phool gobi, cauliflower. Mint. Pudina. Mint means pudina. Brinjal. Bagan. Brinjal, bagan. In Tamil we will say katrika. Okay, in Hindi we will say bagan, or some people will say eggplant. Okay. Turnip. Turnip in Hindi we will say shalgam. What we will say? Shalgam. Tinda. Okay. Tinda is also a vegetable. Here also nuckles you will say. Okay, nuckles means tinda. And this is your kachalu or yum. Yum is then karle karenge. This is that one. Okay, yum. Cabbage. Band gobi. Cabbage means band gobi. Fenugreek. Fenugreek means methi. Fenugreek means methi. That is a leaf. So tomato, tomato. Capsicum, shimla mirch. Potato, aloo. Broccoli, broccoli. Onion, pyaj. Mushroom, mushroom. Garlic, lehsun. Cabbage, gobi. Brinjal, bagan. Turnip, shaljam. Spinach, palak. Cucumber, खीरा. Beetroot, चुकंदर. Beetroot, चुकंदर. Coriander, धनिया. Pea, मटर. Pumpkin, कद्दू. Bottle gourd, लौकी. In Tamil you will say सोरका. पावका, करेला. Beans, same. Lady finger, bhindi. Okay, but this is not a lady finger. This is we will say okra. Okay, or in Tamil you will say vendaka, right? Radish, mulangi, mooli. Phool gobi, cauliflower. Lettuce, salad leaf we will say. Okay, carrot, gajar. Okay children, so today we have read vegetables name and animals name, some domestic animals and some wild animals name. You all just memorize. In exam some vegetables name, animals name, I'll give it. Okay, thank you children, have a good day.